a beautiful day. Much love to everyone that supports my channel. As you guys can see right now, just chilling by the water. It's somewhere far. I don't even know what this place is called, but it's beautiful, man. I had to stop and do a little 360, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, much love to the people that supports my channel. And you have a lot of people on here. I don't even know. I call them the ghost riders, right? Because it's just like people watch the videos and everything, but they don't like, you know, and they don't share on all that stuff. So I have 100 people watching a video, right? And out of 100, it's like one person subscribed, which is kind of crazy. But I mean, you know, I'm trying to understand the logics. Subscribing is free, right? So if you like the video, just hit a thumbs up, you know what I mean? Share it, let me know your thoughts, how you guys feel, and all that good stuff, all right? So much love to all the people that supports my channel. And yeah, man, we at it again, right? Beautiful nature day. So peaceful and quiet out here. I don't know if there's alligator in this water, but it's kind of dark though. It's crazy. So we're calling this the nature walk, right? It's a Tuesday nature walk. And yeah, man. So guys, let's talk, right? You guys have to let me know. Drop down below where you guys are watching from, what country. Drop your flag at the bottom of the description. And yeah, man, I want to know what country you're watching my videos from. And yeah, guys, just drop your comment. Let me know what you guys think of the content, the videos, and all that stuff, right? You know, so I can keep improving. And yeah, man, dropping some good content for you guys, keeping it fresh and all that good stuff, right? So yeah, today's the little nature walk. It's beautiful, man. Canada is a nice country for real. Very clean. Look at that. It's crazy. Maybe it might just jump in the water. Who knows? This is crazy beautiful, man. Look at that. This is amazing. Look down there. Hope there's no alligator inside. Grass is so cute. Look at that, clean, green. Can't get better than nature, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. This is amazing. in the winter time. This must be beautiful with the ice on top of the water and all that stuff. You guys see that? I'm giving you guys a 360 of this view right now. If you guys can tell me where I'm at, maybe a surprise for someone. They can tell me exactly what city I'm at, where I'm at, the name of the place. You may get something. Never know. Maybe a lucky day. So let's drop in the comment. See the trees? Beautiful, man. Allô? Ça va? On fait de YouTube. On fait des vidéos. J'aime ton bicyclette. C'est nice. Dis bonjour, dis bonjour à YouTube là. Hi. People's just chilling, you know, just chilling, talking, conversating. I'm gonna go down here. Hope I don't fall in the water. That would not be good, man. Guys, look at that. That's amazing. Beautiful. I don't know if there's fishes in there, but damn. You guys see that? Maybe I'm gonna take a swim. Is there an alligator or something? Guys, those people was really, really cool. Man, this is like breathtaking, man. It's just relaxing, no stress, beautiful, it's quiet, peaceful. Look at that. Love. Spread the love, you know what I mean? Too much hate, man. Spread some love in this world. World is going crazy, man. Too much hate out here. Need some love, guys. Spread the love, man. Too much bad-hearted people out here, man. Definitely need some love out here.